What's up, my oh so beautiful people? Today, I'm going to be giving you 7 rules to help you become wealthy.
Watch me, I'm headed for the right lines. I got big dreams. My gifts couldn't take me real far. I got all I need to make my fantasy a reality. I guess that's why the haters is mad at me. The haters say they gon' get me. My gifts couldn't take me real far. So I just keep my head up, don't get fed up. Press until I finally reach the stars.
Now, these 7 rules are going to be coming from the book that I talk about so much when you hear me speaking on a podcast feature. If you haven't done so already, make sure you go to the link. I'm going to just put the link up right here if I can pop it up. In my podcast, I talk a lot about this book. It is The Richest Man in Babylon by George Clason. If you're familiar with the book, these are going to be the 7 cures for a lean purse. Let's dive right into it. The king of Babylon wanted Babylon, the city, to be the richest city in the world. To do so, he reached out to Archi, the richest man in Babylon. Now, Archi was even richer than the king. And Archi would teach a group of people, a group of 100 people, a group of 100 teachers or philosophers, the ways to create wealth. Now, once these 100 men knew about the ways to create wealth, they will pass it on through generation after generation, allowing the city and everyone in it to know how to create wealth for themselves. Cure number 1, start thy purse to fatten. For every coin thou earnest, for every 10 coins thou place within thy purse, take out for use but 9. What does that mean? Save 10% of your earnings. Today, you hear that a lot with financial advisors or any kind of financial advice videos or podcasts, but I would suggest that you save 20% of your earnings. For example, if you make $1,000, put away $200. And if you make $100, put away $20. Dave Ramsey, the creator of the Total Money Makeover, said, saving must become a priority, not just a thought. So pay yourself first. Cure number 2, control thy expenditures. Study thoughtfully thy accustomed habits of living. Herein may be most often found certain accepted expenses that may wisely be reduced or eliminated. What does that mean? Create a budget sheet. Every time, everyone, I tell you, budget sheet, budget sheet, budget sheet. This is going to help you track your spending expenses and also help you formulate or build a budget to help you save money and to cut back on those things you really don't need. Now remember, in today's world, I would advise you to save 20% of your income. So you should build your budget around spending 80% of what you make. Joe Biden, former vice president of the United States, once said, "Don't tell me what you value. Show me your budget and I'll tell you what you value." Bars. Cure number 3, make thy gold multiply. Put each coin to multiply, that it may reproduce its kind and help bring to thee income, a stream of wealth that shall flow consistently into thy purse. What does that mean? Though it is great to save a percentage of your money, that alone will not create wealth. You must have your money work for you. You have to invest. There are many ways you can invest. You have stocks, bonds, real estate, 401k, whatever it may be. When you invest, you give your money a chance to earn returns on its initial investment. Albert Einstein once said, "Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it." Cure number 4, guard thy treasures from loss. Consult with wise men. Secure the advice of those experienced in the profit of handling gold. Let their wisdom protect thy treasures from unsafe investments. What does that mean? Be smart with your investments. Seek guidance from those experienced in the field or have some expertise in what you're going to be investing in. The richest man in Babylon, Archi entrusted his whole savings to a brick maker to go far away to some place to find rare jewels and bring it back to the city and sell it for profit. Now, on the brickmaker's way back, he showed Archi the jewels And there weren't jewels at all. They were actually pieces of glass. The brickmaker didn't know that. He thought he was buying jewelry. Arkai lost everything. Don't trust your brickmaker for jewelry advice. Trust a jeweler. There are a lot of people out there that are giving advice that they don't have experience in. They'll watch a few YouTube videos, read a few articles, and then all of a sudden they believe they're experts. Albert Einstein once said, he's such a smart man, the only source of knowledge is experience.
Watch me, I'm headed for the right nights. I got big dreams.
Make that gold multiply.
So I just keep my head up, don't get fed